Here is how to create a group message with multiple people on Instagram. So you're going to go to your messages, and in the top corner, you're going to see the square with a little pencil. And in that, you are then going to click create a group chat. From there, it'll show you the top people that you talk to, or you can type in the names of whoever you want to create this group chat with. Once they pop up, you will select on the name and you'll see them blue checked mark. So we'll select another name to create a group chat with, and you can see a little circle of their profile picture there. You'll then click on create chat, and now you have a group chat. From there, you can add people as well.